Today I am going to teach you cervical cancer staging in such a simple way that you have probably never learned it like this before. Stage 1 confined to cervix. Cancer is strictly limited to cervix. Extension into the uterine body does not change the stage. Stage 1 further subdivided into 1A and 1B. And 1A is micro-invasive disease and further subdivided into 1A1 and 1A2. You cannot see stage 1A with naked eye. You need microscope to see stage 1A. It is further divided into 1A1, that is stromal invasion less than 3 mm, and stage 1A2 in which stromal invasion more than 3 mm and less than 5 mm. Stage 1 divided into 1A and 1B, and 1B further subdivided into 1B1, that is tumor confined to cervix. As you can see, it is confined to cervix 1B1, that is less than 2 centimeter in size, and 1B2 is also confined to cervix. 1B2, it is confined to cervix and size more than 2 centimeter, less than 4 centimeter. And third subdivision is stage 1B3. Stage 1B3. Stage 1B3 is also a subdivision of CA cervix. Tumor size is more than 4 centimeter. It is confined to cervix, not extending beyond cervix. Now stage 2. Stage 2 has two subdivisions, stage 2A and stage 2B. 2A tumor is limited to cervix and upper third of vagina. Stage 2A is limited to upper third of vagina. Size is less than 4 centimeter, as it is further subdivided into stage 2A1 and 2A2. 2A1 less than 4 centimeter and 2A2 more than 4 centimeter, but it is confined to upper third of vagina. Upper third of vagina. Upper 2/3 of vagina involvement in stage 2A, size less than 4 centimeter is 2A1 and more than 4 centimeter 2A2. When tumor extend on parametrium, this is parametrium, tissue around the cervix and vagina is called parametrium. It is stage 2B. Stage 2B, involvement of parametrium. This is parametrium. Stage 2A is confined to B. Stage 2B tumor invade parametrium, not the pelvic wall. Now, this is lower third of vagina And stage 3A, this will involve the lower third of vagina and it will extending to pelvis, and it is called stage 3B. It involves the ureter. Now it will extend to pelvic nodes. It is called stage 3C. And it is when pelvic nodes involved, then it is C1, and when para-aortic nodes involves, it is called C2. 3C1 is involvement of a pelvic node and C2 para-aortic nodes. Stage 4 carcinoma further subdivided into two subdivisions, 4A and 4B. Well, it will involve bladder and bowel mucosa. It is called stage 4A. When it is involving distant organs, then it is called stage 4B. Stage 4A directly invades the mucosa and 4B distant metastasis.